How to install texture packs for Minecraft Java. So as you guys can see, I'm in a game right now. So all you gotta do is click on save and quit to title. Because all you gotta know is the current version of Minecraft that you are running. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are on a browser. It could be Google Chrome, Safari, it does not matter, whatever browser you are on. Then once you're on here, you're gonna have to go and download the texture pack or the research pack. You may have one in mind, or you may have one already downloaded which you may wish to install. Currently I only have one in mind. It's called Faithful. It's currently a cool one. I like it personally, so I'm gonna just download that. But if you want to go browse them, you could search it up on CurseForge or Planet Minecraft. They both have very good textures and they're all pretty trusted sites. So I'm going to go and search up Faithful Minecraft texture pack, as you guys can see right here, the first one. Then I'll probably go to the website like this. Then I'll click on see more. Then I'll click on view latest posts. And the release I want, obviously 121.5, which is right here, as that's the version I'm running in Minecraft right now. That's why it's very important to check the latest Minecraft you were running before. You could also start using the older texture pack, but it might not work very well because they may not have all the textures. So I'm gonna click on 121.5. And as you guys can see, it already started downloading right here. All you gotta do is just wait a few minutes. As you guys can see, it finally downloaded. And then after it downloaded, you could just close off your browser just like this. And you're gonna have to open up your file explorer. Now from there, you're gonna have to click on your download folders and just go there. Then you should see the pack you just downloaded, so just click on that. So what I do from here is make this smaller. And I kind of like to drag the whole folder out, so it's way easier. So if you do open it up just from here, as you guys can see, it immediately goes to the files just like this. Now from here, what you have to do is open up Minecraft again. So what you gotta do from here is you're gonna have to click on option, then click on research pack. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on open pack folder. Now as you guys can see, this folder right here is empty. And all you gotta do from here is you're gonna have to go back and just drag the folder from before. So the folder right here, just drag it into this. Now from here, you could just close off your file explorer. If I go back on Minecraft, now as you guys can see, once I go back on Minecraft, it's do say incompatible. But all you gotta do is just click on it. Then it should give you a warning, but you could just click on yes. So 121, it just came out, so it's acting like this, but in a few days, it's not gonna be like this. I'm trying to say. So once you're done, just click on done. Now if I do click on single player, I open my world, I click on play selected world. As you guys can see, I do have my texture powder. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.